Rolling.
Hi guys. Now we're making a boat if you don't have a toy when you're swimming. First, we need a can, piece of scissors, tape or glue, and cardboard. Also, popsicle sticks. First, put the can and then cut a rectangle shape for the can. Wait. Size it again. Okay. So far so good. And then cut this here. Since this is done, okay, now you just need the tape. Now, Mommy, I need some help here, Mommy.
What will I do?
You take out that, Mommy.
Alright.
Oh.
Wait, pull back here.
Okay, now we just need to tape it like so. Okay. Now I'm using tape, not glue. You can glue it under the can. If you have tape, tape it up. And another tape. Okay. Then cut. Then put this there. Now we have weight at the cardboard. And then next we just need popsicle sticks to go here. I'm also using tape. Okay. Put it. You put it. Wait a minute. Wait. Hey, Mommy, can you help me?
What will I do?
Can you help me? Can you help me put the tape here?
Where?
Here. Wait, you need popsicle sticks. Here. And then fold it like so here. And then fold it again here. and put it at the boat. And put this again there. Do the same thing here. And then here. Then you put it Oh, this one got destroyed. If you want to use it easily, just put on midair. Oops. Oh, wait. This one. And then put it here.
I think you have to fold the cardboard so it will stick.
Here. Okay, I'm having a little trouble, but that's okay because I wanted to be an engineer. Fold
Really?
the board up here like this, so, and then just put this here, and then it's done. Wait. 8. And then it's done. Take a look. If you want more, just like, comment, and subscribe this video. Okay, bye guys!